Custom short codes in FreightDesk Online let you add your own reference fields to shipment emails. From the Settings menu, go to Email Setup, then Email References. Here, you can create short codes for details you want to include in notifications, like a sales rep name, PO number, or special instructions. Click Add a new reference. Give it a name, and assign a short code inside curly brackets. For example, PO number. Short codes cannot contain spaces, so be sure to use underscores or combine words instead. Once saved, this short code becomes available as a reference field within your orders. Now, let's look at how this works in an actual order. When you open an order and view the shipment details, your new references appear above the quoted shipping rates within the Send Email Notifications section. Here, enter the value for each reference before processing the shipment. For example, if you created a short code PO number, you'll see a blank field labeled PO number, where you can type in the value specific to that order. When the shipment email or BOL notification is sent, FreightDesk Online automatically replaces the short code with the value you entered. This makes every shipment email more flexible and personalized, without needing to edit your templates each time.